Welcome to our Pocket Tripod review. Today, we're delving into the world's smallest fully functional phone stand. The Pocket Tripod revolutionizes your mobile experience with its compact design and sturdy construction. Join us as we explore its features, benefits, and why it's become an essential accessory for smartphone users everywhere. Let's uncover the wonders of the Pocket Tripod together. What is Pocket Tripod? Pocket Tripod redefines the concept of smartphone stands with its innovative design and functionality. It's the world's smallest fully functional phone stand, providing stability and support at any angle. Crafted with carbon fiber legs, it securely holds any phone while maintaining a compact size equivalent to that of a credit card. Five important features of Pocket Tripod. Compact portability. Pocket Tripod boasts an ultra-slim design, fitting comfortably in your pocket or wallet for on-the-go convenience. Universal compatibility. Equipped with a fit card and adapter, it accommodates all smartphones, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. Durable construction. Crafted with carbon-fibered panels and robotic precision, Pocket Tripod withstands everyday wear and tear, offering long-lasting reliability. Audio-friendly design. Engineered to keep microphones and speakers unobstructed, it ensures crystal clear sound for recordings, calls, and videos. Lifetime warranty. With Pocket Tripod, enjoy peace of mind with a lifetime warranty, making it a reliable investment for all your smartphone stand needs. Why we love Pocket Tripod. Pocket-sized for ultimate portability, compatible with all smartphones. Robust carbon fiber construction ensures durability. Unobstructed audio for clear recordings. Backed by a lifetime warranty for lasting peace of mind. Wondering how Pocket Tripod achieves its magic? This ingenious device offers the functionality of a full-size tripod in a compact form. Its carbon fiber legs provide stability and support, ensuring your phone stays steady at any angle. Whether you're capturing photos, filming videos, or attending video calls, Pocket Tripod delivers professional quality results. Why should you choose Pocket Tripod? Its simple unmatched portability, durability, and functionality. With Pocket Tripod, you're equipped to capture perfect shots anytime, anywhere. Its lightweight design, clear audio-friendly construction, and lifetime warranty make it the ultimate choice for photographers, content creators, and anyone seeking a reliable phone stand. Say goodbye to bulky tripods and hello to the convenience of Pocket Tripod. Pocket Tripod price and packages. 1 Pocket Tripod. Get 1 Pocket Tripod for $29.99, retail $34.99, saving $5.00, 14.3%. Add stability to your smartphone experience, plus S&H applies. 3 Pocket Tripods. Purchase 3 Pocket Tripods for the price of 2 at $69.98, retail $104.97, saving $34.99, 33.3%. Enjoy free USA shipping, ideal for multiple devices. 5 Pocket Tripods. Opt for 5 Pocket Tripods for $104.97, retail $174.95, saving $69.98, 40%. Buy 3 and get 2 free, plus free USA shipping. Outfit your entire device collection affordably. Get Tripod user reviews. Additional details about this product, please visit the description link at techidevise.com. Thank you for watching our pocket tripod review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know if you've tried the pocket tripod or if you have any questions. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy shooting with your pocket tripod.